Hi guys, you're welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to create an Opay account on your mobile device. Opay is a popular digital payment platform that offers a range of financial services including mobile payments, transfers and bill payments. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating an Opay account on your mobile phone. So if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first step you have to take now is to download and install the Opay app, and for you to do that you have to go to the Google Play Store, that's for Android devices, or Apple App Store for iOS devices, and search for Opay. So let me tap on my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this video tutorial. So let me tap on Play Store. So once your Play Store opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. Then after that you tap on the search bar at the top. So let me tap on it already. Then what you have to do now is to type in Opay. So let me type it in, O-P-A-Y. Then let me tap on search. You can see guys, it's loading up. Right there guys is the Opay app. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it now to open up the web page. Let me tap on it. I believe you can see it more clearly right now. You can see the name right there, Opay. You can see the logo on the left hand side. So what you have to do now in order to install this app into your phone is to tap on where you can see install. So let me tap on it right away. You can see the Opay app have started downloading. As you can see there, it is at 6%. So what you have to do is to wait till it gets to 100%. Then once it's fully downloaded, then it's going to start installing automatically. So that's how it works. So let's wait a few seconds. My internet connection isn't that strong, but let me just wait for a few seconds. Right there guys, can see it has gotten to 100% and it's now installing. So it's going to get installed in a few seconds. Wow guys, can see now the Opay app has been installed. You can see it right there written installed. So now the next step you have to take now is to tap on open. So let me open the app right away. You can see the open icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it. You can see guys, the Opay app is opening. You can see what's written there. It says allow Opay to access this device location. So let me tap on while using this app. Let me give you the permission. You can see the next step. It says allow Opay to send you notifications. So let me tap on allow. You can see guys, the Opay app has opened. So this is the first interface you're going to see once you open up the Opay app. You can see guys, the first step you have to take now in order to create an Opay account is to tap on where you can see create a new account. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it right away. Right here guys is the next step. You can see what's written there, get an Opay account. So what you have to do right away now is to input your phone number. So you have to input your mobile phone number right there. You can see where the arrow is pointing. So let me go ahead now to input it. You can see right there I've imputed my phone number. You can see it right there. Then the next step now you have to take is to input the invitation code. You can see where it is written have an invitation code. So what you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So what you have to do now is to go ahead now to input my invitation code. So guys, by using my invitation code, you're going to be receiving a reward from Opay, and also I'm going to be receiving a reward from Opay. So it's a win-win for both of us. So go ahead to use my invitation code. You're going to be getting commissions and discounts in your transactions here on your Opay account. So go ahead now to input my invitation code. You can see it right there on the screen, and also you can find it down in the description of this video. Just go over to the description of this video, or you can go to the comment section. I'm going to be pinning it right there. So guys, let me input it right away. You can see my invitation code right there. Then after that, what you have to do is to make sure you've ticked that box right there on the left hand side. By ticking that box, you are agreeing to the terms and conditions and privacy policy of Opay. So make sure you tick that box. Then after that, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see sign up. So let me go ahead now to tap on sign up. You can see guys, it's loading up. Right here guys is the next step. You can see what's written there, verify phone number. Step 1, check the code you received. A verification code has been sent to your phone number. Please take a look. Step 2, fill in the box below with the code. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to get the code that has been sent to me in my inbox, in my message. In case you didn't receive the OTP or the code, you can tap on where you can see resent. Then the code will be resent to you. You can be able to get the code and use it to proceed with your account creation. So let me get the code right away. I've not yet received the code. It seems my network connection today is not strong. So let me tap on resent. So the code is going to be sent again. You can see guys, it's loading up. You can see it's loading. Wow guys, you can see this notification. It says a verification code has been sent to your mobile phone. So what I'm going to do now is to go and get the code. Let me scroll down from the top of my phone to see the notification, the message notification. Wow guys, you can see checking. Wow, you can see succeeded, your phone number has been verified successfully. So guys, now you can see it, it was done automatically. And as you can see at the top there, you can see that's the code right there at the top. You can see the code was also sent and it was also automatically imputed for me, even without me imputing it. So guys, now here's the next step. It says enter your ID information. Please provide your own BVN or NIN, that means your national identity number, to verify your account opening application. So you can see the two options that we have there is NIN and BVN. So you can either use your NIN, which is your national identity number, or your BVN, which is your bank verification number. So whichever one that you want to use, just go ahead now to impute it. So since NIN is already selected, let me go ahead with the NIN. But if I want to go for BVN, just tap on BVN. Let me tap on BVN so you see it. You can see right there guys, BVN has been selected, but I want to use my NIN, so let me tap on NIN. Then let me go ahead now to impute my NIN number. You can see where it is written national identification number. So let me go ahead now to impute it right away. Right there guys, can see I've imputed my NIN number, which is my national identification number. So what I have to do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next. You can see guys, it's loading up. So guys can see here is the next step. It says photo capture. Okay, this seems to be the facial verification. So the one who take a selfie of yourself. You can see what's written there. It says your face needs to be verified against your NIN information. Please follow the guidelines below to ensure proper capture. We recommend that you stay in a brightly lit environment. Secondly, your face is inside the frame. Then thirdly, remove sunglasses, hats, hijabs, face masks, or any other face coverings. So guys, now these are the information. Make sure you don't fall victim of any of this information so that your account creation can be smooth. So guys, let me tap on get started. Let me tap on let's start. You can see the next step. It says allow Opay to take pictures and record video. Let me tap on while using this app. Wow guys, can see the facial verification is loading up. It says move your face into the frame. So what you have to do is to follow the on-screen instructions. They'll be good to go. It says I should blink my eyes, so let me do that. Wow guys, can see checking. Opay is checking your information, so let's wait a few seconds. Wow guys, you can see succeeded, your face has been verified successfully. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. It says residential address. They said please provide your complete residential address. So let me go ahead now to impute the state where I live in, the local government where I live in, and the area, and also the address. That means including the house number and street. So let me go ahead now to fill all of this. Let me fill it out. Right there guys, can see I've imputed all of the information, my address, state, local government. So what I have to do now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next down there. You can see guys, it's loading up. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. It says what's your nationality? Please select your country you are from. So guys, what you have to do now is to select your country, and as you can see there, my country has automatically been selected. But in case the country reflecting there is not your country, just tap on where you can see change. They'll be able to change your country. So once you've done that, once you've selected your nationality, they tap on next down there. So let me do that. You can see guys, it's loading up. Then the next step, it says are you or any of your relatives a politically exposed person? So if any of your relative is politically exposed, just go ahead to tap on yes I am. But if that is not the case, just tap on no I'm not. So let me tap on no I'm not. I don't have any relative of such, so let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the next step. It says source of income. It said provide details of your source of income. The first category there is what's your occupation. So you have to choose your occupation. So let me tap on select your occupation. Let me tap on it. You can see here there are various occupations right here. So what you have to do is to select your occupation. If you're a student, you're going to find student. If you're a doctor, an engineer, a biochemist, a lab scientist, you're going to find it, an electrician, a financial analyst, a firefighter. There are so many occupations right there. So let me just choose one of it. Let me choose lab scientist. So let me tap on it. You can see I've selected lab scientist. Then the next one is what's your annual income. So let me tap on select annual income. You can see there are various annual incomes right there, less than 50,000. You can see the the ranges that we have here. So let me just select one of it. You can see, guys, I've selected less than 50,000. Let me change the occupation to student. I want to change it to student. So let me tab back, and let me scroll down to the bottom. I think it should be there. So this is to show that you can actually change to whatever you want. So let me select student. You can see I've selected student, and the manual annual income is less than 50,000. The next question is, do you have other source of income? No. So let me tap on next. You can see, guys, it's loading up. Then it says set your 6-digit login password. This password must contain numbers which cannot be repeated or consecutive. So, guys, you have to input numbers right there. Make sure the password, the number, is something that you can easily remember and that people cannot easily guess. And make sure you don't repeat any two numbers consecutively. Don't repeat any two numbers consecutively. So let me go ahead now to input my password. Then after you input your password, then you have to re-enter the password again at the second box right there, to be sure that you actually know the password. This to be sure that you actually know it, to be sure that it's correct. So let me go ahead now to input mine. Right there, guys, can see I've inputted my password. So now let me re-enter the password to be sure that it is correct. Let me type it in. Right there, guys, can see the password is correct. So let me tap on next, and also you can see where it is written have an invitation code. In case you didn't put my invitation code in the first instance, you can also input it right there by tapping on it. Let me tap on it. So let me go ahead now to input the invitation code. By using my invitation code, you're not going to be charged any transaction fee or any transfer fee. You're going to be getting 0 transfer fee for using my invitation code. Just go ahead now to use it. So let me input the invitation code. Then once you're done with it, then you tap on next. So let me tap on next. You can see right here, here's the next step. It says, do you want your balance with interest? Of course, who wouldn't want interest for the money he or she is saving? I want interest for the money I'm saving. I'm banking on this app. So you can see, yes, it's automatically selected, so I'll leave it at that. Let me continue reading the details. It says, use OWET as an available balance that pays you interest up to 15% annually every day. It said if you deposit 10,000, you will earn yearly 1,500, monthly 115 naira 0.53 kobo, then daily 3 naira 0.83 kobo. So, guys, let me tap on continue right away. Wow, guys, can see success. Congrats, your account details are shown below. So, guys, right there you can see that's my Opay account number. You can see and I have my Opay account number. So with this account number, I can receive money and also send money. You can see, guys, what I have to do now is to tap on start Opay now, or in case you want to review your account information, just tap on view account information. So let me just tap on view account information. Right here, guys, you can see here is my details or my personal information, my full name, my mobile number, my gender, date of birth, address, and Opay account number and account level. So let me go back now. So as now you can see, here's the next step. It says free transfer and 0 transfer issues. So let me tap on next. They said get cashback on airtime/data top up. So if you buy airtime and data from Opay, you're going to be getting cashback. So let me tap on next. Then it says earn amazing daily interest with OWELT, which is the interest yearly, weekly, and monthly and daily. So let me tap on next. Then here it says instant debit card, so you can get an Opay debit card, then free withdrawals and maintenance. So you're not going to be paying for the debit card maintenance and withdrawals. So let me tap on done. Theme switch, your device is in dark mode. Would you like to switch your Opay theme to dark mode as well? So if you want to do that, you can switch, but let me do that later. I will do that later. So guys, now you can see I've been able now to successfully create an Opay account from scratch to the end. You can see right now I can go ahead to buy airtime, buy data, bet, pay for subscriptions, pay for loans, electricity, and the rest of it. I'm going to be making videos, detailed videos on how you can use all of the features that you can find there on Opay and how you can actually set up your account to full use. So guys, if you followed this step-by-step process, then congratulations, you you have successfully created an Opay account on your mobile device. You can now explore various features and services offered by Opay, including mobile payments, transfers, and bill payments. If you encounter any issue during this sign-up process, feel free to contact Opay's customer support for assistance. Thank you. Happy banking. See you in the next upload. Bye.